Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a 2025 data science course. Before starting this video, I'm wishing you all a very happy and great prosperous new year 2025. So this data science personalized course will be very useful because why I'm posting this particular course is all about. It's not very costly, it's very affordable, and then you can easily learn all those concepts also. And then you will get the certificate also. Mainly this is actually organized by LearnTube by Career Ninja in association with collaboration with Data Science Learn. So, and this certification is mainly recognized by 1,000+ companies, and I also enrolled recently. Actually, this is basically a combination of course which it involves R, Python, Spark, Scala, everything, a complete combo, I would say. And then in like this is one of the course which I like among all. So here if you go to the home page, they have so much of courses like data wrangling, separate course for data wrangling, data science, whomever interested in complete data analytics, it will cover everything almost. And then machine learning separately. If I want to learn Python, I can go for this, like AI, LLM, as you know, this will come under generative AI domain, data mining, data visualization, etc. So I think this is very affordable, and also this is very highly recognized. So I would suggest you to go for this. And if you want a free resource, they also have. I think it is not currently working now, but yeah, it's I would say this is very affordable, and people used to ask me what I have to start. So maybe it will cover almost everything. And if you want to separately do a generative AI, um, generative AI, like what is generative AI, if you want to start from that, then I would suggest you a Udemy course, and that course link also I have given in my description box. If you want to know more about it, you can go for that. This is one thing which I find interesting. And second thing, for 2025 to start up with, like from basics, I would suggest iNeuron. So this is actually I definitely I would suggest you this because it has so many free courses. So yeah, so if you go here, they have boot camps. If you want to enroll in full stack analytics V2 or any interview preparation, like you can go and enroll here. And then similarly, they have a community programs, and then like AWS, etc. And then they have a customized one neuron bundles also. So based upon your interest, for example, I want to only focus on data science projects with real world solution, I will go for this. And then if you want a particular NLP, if you want natural language processing only to study, then you can explore this text to speech one, and you can enroll, or you can share this with your friends. You can do many things here. So likewise, one neuron is like they have some set of big data projects kind of. And then it's a kind of bundles, okay, courses. And then specifically I like Azure kind of services, Azure certification. So for me, they are for me, in the sense my interest is towards this, so I can enroll for free. And this is all about one neuron. And they have a very good support system, and they will answer all those queries to you. And uh, like these three platforms I really like. One is this Data Science Learn and iNeuron. So like people are really struggling to start up their startup, to don't know how to start, where to start, and how to end. So for people, um, I found it useful, so I thought of sharing this in my YouTube channel. That's it. So this is actually job portal. This is internship portal. So they have so many things, like if you want to um, go more and more deeper into it, you can just go to their website and um, you can search more for it. So that's what I can say. And if you want to know yeah, if you want to know more about data science, like what are all the current updates, like that, you can go with Data Science Dojo, DOJO. This is the website name. So you can go for it and you can just find more topics. Just if you want to know what are all the 2025 conferences that you want to attend, or what are all the things that is going on in the current industry related to generative AI and data science, you can definitely just visit this website. You will get an idea what all the current what is current latest trends and updates that you can upskill. And then they also have a boot camp for LLM, data science for business, etc. So yeah, and then mm, mainly many people who are seeing my channel will be both of technical, as well as maybe many people will be in management roles. So people who do not who wants to upskill their technical skills, then go for this data science for business. And then this is their LLM online course, and they have some consulting services and community, like they have a newsletter, podcast, etc. So you can go and listen to your favorite podcast, or you can, there's so many things. Okay, so and then there are blogs also, you can read those blogs. So if you like podcast, you can listen. If you like reading blog, you can read the blogs. If you want to enroll for the boot camp, you can enroll for the boot camp, or any courses, you can enroll for the courses. So there are so much of things that Data Science Dojo is currently mm, giving so much of materials. So these three, number one is, like as I already told you, number one, data science learn. Number two is iNeuron. Third one is Data Science Dojo. So these are all the three websites. Definitely it will be having in my bookmark. Like whenever I am trying to start my day, I will just see these three websites, and then just get an knowledge, and then I will start my day. So this is what I was thought of sharing with you. And definitely if you want to kick off or start your career in data science, you can start with this course. And this is not a promotion or something like that. I just wanted to do there are so many courses, as you know, there are so many overwhelming courses, but everything was quite expensive nowadays. So just wanted to share you a good material and good course with its very less affordable cost. So that's what I want to show. And then generative AI, there are lots of courses in that. I have not seen. I have not went in depth into it. So I just done one 2-3 courses, which is expensive course. But I know one Udemy, best Udemy course that I have shared in my description box. You can look into it. So that's what I want to share. And in my shorts also, there is some, if you see my shorts, there is some daily dose PDF. So you can go to my shorts and the same channel shorts, and you can download that if you want to know more about daily dose PDF. Yeah, tata, bye bye, happy 2025. Have a prosperous and great new year ahead. Bye, see you.